I'm Michael, I'm 69 years old, I'm from Germany, and I worked in a neighborhood center, and I was performing and promoting music, theater and art events. When I came to Nepal, before I came to Nepal, it was like I want to see the mountains, first of all, and I want to know what the people are like in Nepal, because I heard a lot of things about Hinduism and the way of thinking of Nepalese and Indian people.
Hello, my name is Hubert.
Okay.
I came from Germany. I'm 68 years old, and in my professional times I be a social worker. Now I stay in Nepal. I'm very interesting about to see this country, to look for the people, to feel how they feel, the people in Nepal, and I'm very excited to be here. Hello, we are friends. We knew us from the university.
And it's more than 45 years since we met, and we're still friends.
And we stay here to get together the Royal Trek.
And we are super enthusiastic what will happen.
Yes.
Well, they call me the breeze. I keep blowing down the road. Well, they call me the breeze. I keep blowing down the road.
Evet.
Call me the breeze. I keep blowing down the road. I ain't got me nobody. Nobody carry me no load.